Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Magwan. The question for today is from Boy D. He asks, what is the best time to sell or flip a pre-selling unit? How long does it usually take to find a buyer during the pandemic? It depends on what you mean by best. If it means biggest profit, then it may be best to hold onto it as close to turnover as possible. But if it means the biggest chance of selling it quickly, then it is at the point when the project has already sold out but there is still a lot of demand for it. But before you sell, ask yourself if you can invest in something that can earn you more than the expenses of selling the property and the potential gain of the property you just sold. In terms of how long it usually takes, there are several factors: location, specific development, asking price, and how actively it is being marketed. Some may take a few weeks, while others may take a couple of months or even longer. So if you're planning to sell your property, you can contact me and other licensed real estate professionals to help you. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.